What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Shelby Lifestyle. Today we are testing that myth that a Mustang GT, the new 2018 10-speed automatic, is faster than the Shelby GT350 and the 350R. Now this one is your 2018 Mustang GT. The 10-speed auto works pretty well in this car. You guys have seen lots of videos on it. It's been really hyped all over the internet. And the GT350, as you all know, that is a 6-speed manual. It's gonna be a pretty exciting test, and I wonder what's gonna happen. I think the 350 will win because it does have more power. It's got 526 versus 460. But again, when you launch the GT350, it kind of bogs out because all the power and torque is way up high in the RPMs. So let's see what happens. Take a look at the 10-speed auto. It does shift fast. You have 10 gears in this car, and you do have drag mode, which does work really well, and the new traction control system does help put the power down extremely well. The GT350R also has drag mode in it. Works pretty well. Like I said, again, it's kind of hard getting this car to go fast 0 to 60 because it's not designed to do so. This car is more of an all-around car focused on going fast in a straight line and around a racetrack, you could say, because the 5.0 motor has got all the low-end torque. And a lot of people out there actually say the Mustang GT, it feels quicker in the lower RPMs and off the line than a GT350 because of all that torque. And I can see why you're saying that, but just the feeling is so much different in the GT350. It's kind of hard to compare. Here we go, inside the 2018 Mustang GT. So to set up for the drag race, we're going to be launching this car in drag mode down here. So as you can see, drag strip mode is engaged. It does help quite a lot, I think. I've launched this car at the drag strip quite a lot, and I've gotten my best way to launch it to be in automatic in drag mode, and I've been getting a 4.6, 0 to 60 consecutive, and that is extremely fast for a Mustang GT. This is a stock Mustang GT out of Ford. This is a great car. As you can see, this is what we're gonna be doing with Mustang GT. Drag strip mode, automatic shifting, and just full throttling this car, maxing out each gear. Gonna be pretty exciting. Now I'm gonna go over what we're gonna be doing in the GT350R, my car over there. Here we go, we're in the GT350R. Basically, what I'm going to be doing in this car is I'll be launching with launch control turned on, about 4,000 RPMs. I find that to work really well in this car. I'll have drag mode engaged, which is over here, so sport, weather, track, drag mode. This car is a fast car. We'll say that. It does feel a lot faster than it is in the higher RPMs. It just sounds so mean, obnoxious, and 8,250 RPMs for a red line really just does throw in the thrill factor in this car. A bunch of people on the internet have been saying that car is faster than this one. Well, let's truly find out.